In today's video, I'm going to teach you a straightforward and useful technique to enhance your productivity in Microsoft PowerPoint by showing you how to group objects and text together seamlessly. This method is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their presentation design process and make it more efficient. Whether you're a student, teacher, or working professional, mastering this technique can make a significant difference in how you organize your slides. So let's dive right in. First, make sure to have your PowerPoint presentation file open. Once it's up and running, navigate to the slide where you'd like to group objects together. This might be simple shapes, text boxes, or any other elements you've incorporated into your design. Grouping them allows you to move and edit these items as one cohesive unit, which can save you time and ensure consistency across your slides. Now identify the objects or text boxes you want to group. Here's a quick tip. Using the Control key on your keyboard can make this part of the process much easier. Hold down the Control key while clicking on each object or text you wish to include in the group. This lets you select multiple components at once without disturbing others on your slide. Once you've selected all the desired items, it's time to proceed with grouping them. Simply take your mouse, right-click on any of the selected items, and a context menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Group. Click on it and it'll bring up another submenu. Don't worry, you're almost there. When the submenu pops up, click the Group option again. What this does is unify all your selected objects into a single group, allowing you to manipulate them collectively with ease. And just like that, you're done. If you've followed these steps correctly, you should now have successfully grouped your selected items. You'll notice that you can move them around, resize, or format them just like you would with any single object. But instead of handling each item individually, they all work together as one. This is incredibly handy when you need to rearrange or apply changes uniformly, such as adding an effect or altering the size of your grouped elements. So remember, the next time you're working on a PowerPoint presentation and want to keep everything neat and organized, grouping is your best friend. This simple trick can make your presentation design not only more efficient, but also more professional looking. It minimizes errors and ensures that all your components are perfectly aligned according to your theme or layout. Enjoy your newfound efficiency in PowerPoint. Happy presenting!